Hey guys, this is Yamina Hall, and today is actually August 7th, 2013, and I wanted to talk to you today in regards to how you can utilize news, trending news about celebrities to actually make money online. Now, guys, as you know, I am part of the Automated Income Group with Empower Network, and we had an awesome training last night on this topic about how to use celebrity buzz to actually generate income online. Because as you know, guys, you're already on the internet anyways, right? And you're already, looking at who has the latest, I don't know, hairdo, or who's divorcing who, or who's having a baby by who. I mean, this is all trending celebrity news. So guys, why not get paid for it? So the way you can do this, guys, you can actually become part of the viral blogging system that me and my team do utilize. Now, this blog system is already set up for you. It's already done. So all you have to do is put your content on the blog, and basically all you have to do is put the celebrity buzz, or even make a video like I'm doing. Make a video about, one of your favorite celebrity or somebody in the news. Like just recently, Usher's son had a pool accident, and that was big news on the internet, and people are Googling it, they're talking about it, they want to read an article about it. So why not take celebrity buzz, put it on your blog, and get paid for it? So this is what we do, guys. Or maybe even shoot a review about it, your opinion about it, about, go, of course, research and do your research and read the article before you actually post a video with your opinion about it. But this is just a few creative ways that you can actually make money online for basically free. Well, not free, because you do have to get the blogging system, which it is only $25 to get started, guys. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's it. And you can shoot videos, do blog posts like I'm doing, and make money. So just wanted to shoot this quick video in regards to that, if you were wondering how you can get paid off of celebrity buzz. We had a fabulous training by the great Natalie Goucher. She's a great social media expert, and she did a fabulous training like that. So see, guys, when you're on my team and you're on the Automated Income Group, you get training and stuff like this. Now, this is a video telling you what you can do, but to actually learn how to do it, guys, you would actually need to get part of the team so you can get the exact training on how to do it the correct way. So with that being said, there is a link below this video for you to become part of the team, and you will receive bonus access to our mastermind Facebook group and all the fabulous training that we are getting to take our business to the next level and market online. And also, guys, there's something really big coming down the pipeline for you guys. I really would like to tell you about it, but I can't, because I signed a I signed a disclosure, so I really can't tell you about it yet, but I would love to. But just keep in mind, something really big is coming, and if you want to find out about it, you're going to have to click the link below. Also, subscribe to my channel, follow my videos, because I will be sharing what's coming soon that's going to change the whole internet marketing technology. It's going to change the whole game, guys. I'm so excited about it. I really got to keep my lips shut on this one, but if you want to know what's going to go down soon, stay tuned here. Click the link below. Subscribe to my channel. Also give my video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.